Welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of XRP, Ripple coin and the cryptocurrencies market. So before starting this video, kindly subscribe my channel for more latest news and update. A lot of people are not subscribing my channel. Please kindly click the subscribe button. I need your support. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Now let's see the live price prediction of XRP, Ripple coin. What's going in the market of XRP, Ripple coin? What's the changes? What's the high price of XRP, Ripple coin in the current price of XRP, Ripple coin? As you can see now on the graph of XRP, Ripple coin, so it's represent the XRP, Ripple coin. As you can see here, they are falling down, and currently they are again falling down, as you can see here. So it's a bad time of XRP Ripple holder, as you can see here. The change is negative 1.27% changes in the XRP in the previous 2 hours. And the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the 2 hour is $0.557213 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the previous 2 hour. As you can see here, that's the live price prediction of last 2 hours you are watching now. Now let's see the live price prediction of 1 hour. What's going in the market of cryptocurrencies of XRP Ripple coin in the previous 1 hour. As you can see here, that's the live price prediction of last 1 hour. They are jumping upward, but currently they are again falling down, as you can see here. So it's the best time to sell it and be safe from loss. As you can see here, there's a negative change is 0.06% changes in the XRP Ripple coin in the previous 1 hour. And this time the high price of XRP Ripple coin is $0.552025 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin. Now the current price of XRP Ripple coin in the market of cryptocurrencies is $0.548527 is the current price of XRP Ripple coin in the market. Thank you so much for watching this video. That is the live price prediction of last 2 hours and 1 hour you are watching now. Please click the subscribe button for more news, videos and updates about cryptocurrency market.